Hey everybody, Bennett McDowell with TradersCoach.com back at you this week again with another stock opportunity. Today is Sunday, and of course today is March 8th. This is a trade you could take starting on Monday, March 9th. Let's take a look at it. It's actually going to be a sell trade, so to the short side, and you can use options as well. So this is the chart for stock symbol AVAV. That's AVAV. And so what we want to pay attention on this chart is that each price bar actually represents a full day of activity on this chart. Now, this is a trade that we're actually going to go to the short side and maybe called short selling or selling this market. And it's a trade that we're going to use a variety of different software tools that we developed here at TradersCoach.com. We developed the ART software, which gives us these triangular shapes on the chart that we use for entries and exits. We're also going to use indicators at the bottom that also help determine the momentum and the direction of the trade. And then we're going to use the risk to reward calculator over here on the far right hand side for risk control. Because, risk control is very important. We don't always know what trades we're going to really win on. So we want to protect ourselves in case the trade goes against us. So we want to keep our losses very small or as small as possible and let our winners run. And that's what the risk to reward calculator always helps us to do. Align our trading with the utmost risk to reward in our favor. So if we look at this trade, it closed at 61.15. And so what we're looking to do is go into this Monday right around that price. So we're going to put that entry price of 61.15 into the trade size calculator on the far right hand side. The exit price is going to be based right above this pyramid trading point put in by the ART software at $64.18, and we're going to enter that in as our exit price into the calculator. Now, this is really neat here. So here's the PTF target price. So how did we get that $50.31 right here? Very, very simple when you have the right tools. The PTF indicator is red. And this indicator has a 75% probability of accuracy. So when it's red or bearish, what it's telling you is that the price bars, the lowest price bars in that red area, which happen to be these here, are not the final lows. That the price will more than likely come back and go below that. And so with that kind of probability, that becomes our target range. And so in a case like this, when we put $50.31 in as our target price, the risk to reward after we hit calculate comes out to $3.55 in our favor for every dollar we're risking. So that's a really excellent risk to reward in your favor. So in this case here, this trade looks really good to the downside. The momentum set by another one of our indicators called the OWL is bearish and indicating an Elliott wave 3 down. So we're really liking this trade a lot, and we think it'll do really well for you. But we never know 100%, so you always got to check with your financial advisor, accountant, or attorney to make sure a trade like this is suitable for you, because we don't really know your personal situation. But it looks really good from a technical standpoint. All right, so that's it for this week. Good luck with this one, and we'll be back next week with next week's stock opportunity. Have a great one.
Serving traders worldwide since 1998, TradersCoach.com provides educational services for traders and investors. We've developed trading software to help traders of every level improve their skills. Our site is dedicated to providing you with all the resources, software, and educational material you need to achieve your trading goals. It's because of our years of experience, attention to detail, and exceptional customer service that we're the right choice. Call us today.